In this video we are going to talk about the best 3D printer in this year, which is Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D printer. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. 300°C high temp nozzle. The brand new nozzle made of brass can stand up to 300 degrees Celsius printing temperature, and it is compatible with multiple filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PTG, and PA, providing more possibilities for creation. Trophy Spring Steel PI Magnetic Build Plate. Ender 3S1 Pro has used the Spring Steel PI Magnetic Build Plate, which has good adhesion to the printed model and enables fast heating up of the heat bed. The build plates is not only durable but also flexible. Once the printing completes, users can remove the printed model effortlessly with just a slight bend. Trophy 4.3-inch touchscreen and LED light. The 4.3-inch touchscreen, supporting 9 languages, offers efficient UI interaction and is easy to use. It will dim out automatically for energy saving if there is no action for 3 minutes. The equipped LED light enables comprehensive light fill, with which users can observe the printing details even in a dark environment. Trophy Sprite Full Metal Dual Geared Direct Extruder. The Sprite Full Metal Dual Geared Direct Extruder with an extrusion force of 80 N ensures smooth feeding when printing with different filaments, especially the flexible TPU. Trophy CR Touch Automatic Leveling. Equipped with CR Touch, the 16-point automatic leveling can complete quickly with compensation for points printing height on the heat bed. Good efficiency saves much time. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.